Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming Infa V is installed and licensed, and you know the exact version. Once done, prepare source and target connection strings and have sample data ready so you can test quickly. Next, open the Infa V console and create a new project, setting a clear workspace path. Make sure to name the project logically. This avoids later confusion. At this stage, you begin the first mapping. Drag a simple source schema into the canvas to get immediate feedback. You now build the core mapping. Drag the source and add transformations such as filter, join, and expression to shape data. While doing this, map each source field to its target counterpart and set precise data types plus null handling rules so downstream systems are stable. Once mappings exist, encapsulate repeated logic into reusable macros or reusable transformations. Validate the mapping with the built-in checker. Resolve schema mismatches and data type warnings before proceeding, because prevention here saves execution time later. You execute the mapping in a development run and immediately review row counts, error logs, and runtime metrics to ensure behavior matches expectations. Once done, compare the sample output to expected results and iterate on fixes quickly. Adjust filters or expressions and rerun. To finalize, promote the mapping to test, rerun with larger data, and schedule production deployment. If things go wrong, first check connectors and permissions, then inspect transformation expressions and data type mismatches. Those fixes resolve most issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.